afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you're seeing this recorded teaching and technical mastery technical report writing for sustainable construction. I remain Engineer being Jacob, and in this third recorded teaching, I'll be talking about the key characteristics of a great technical report writing. What makes your technical report writing to be great? Number one, clarity. Use simple professional language for your technical report writing. Number two is objectivity. Focus on facts and data, not opinion. The reason why we have methodology section, site observation and finding and analysis in your technical report writing is because of your technical report writing must be fact and data driven and not opinion. That's why it's expedient that as a reporter, you must be on site to uh, carry out an interview of the activities that is ongoing on site, interact with engineers supervising the project, get your findings. That is where you get raw data for your report writing, because it is your raw data that is analyzed, that is used by the top management for decision making. So if your documentation and the raw data, the data you are documenting are false or of your opinion, not basically what you saw on site, you will present your technical report writing will become a misinterpretation of actual work done or actual projects uh, going on site. So you must document based on facts and raw data, because if your documentation of the data are wrong, your analysis will be wrong, and it will give your top management wrong decision making. So that is why objectivity is very important. Go to the project site, carry out site inspection, carry out interact with engineers, get raw data, document raw data. It will help you for your analysis. Number three is visual. As you go for your site inspection, take pictures, take pictures. That's why in your technical report writing, there is a place where the last part of your technical report writing is um, progress project pictures. The pictures are for references based on your table chart presented in your methodology section. So visuals are very important part of your technical report writing. Formatting. Let your formatting be consistent, and it is more acceptable to use a font size of 11 or 12 font size. And if you're using 12 font size, it must be consistent from the beginning of your report to the end of your report. Should maintain a particular font size. And so and the structure of your technical report writing should be consistent from the beginning to the ending. So if your heading is at the center, maintain that all your heading stay at the ending, at the center. If your headings is by the left hand side, it must be on the left hand side for every pages. So ensure your structure and your formatting is consistent. Then the timeline timeliness. Deliver on schedule, especially for progressive site reporting. Deliver on schedule. Then reporting tools and templates for sustainable construction. Ensure you have daily environmental reports, site reports. Ensure you have green building material compliant checklist. Ensure you are familiar with project management software, being smart meters and interview. And these are the tools you use to drive or derive raw data for your reporting. Then for academic research, ensure you have research logbook, data analysis sheets, literature review, and metrics. Then common mistakes to avoid: lack of clear objectives and conclusion. Ensure you know the objective of the project, what the project tend to address, know all these things, ensure that is conclusion for your reports writing. Avoid overuse of technical jargons without explanation. Avoid poor formatting or missing visuals. For every methodology or chart presented should have a picture for references. Unverified data, avoid unverified data or source. For if you are hijacking a particular information, ensure you state the source from which that um, key performance index is derived from. So ensure you state the source of a particular information you state in your technical report writing. If you don't have or know the source of that information, do not include it in your technical report writing. Avoid vague or generic recommendation in your technical report writing. The next is the use of person pronoun, third person pronoun in your technical report writing. Use of third person pronoun in your technical report writing. For example, the study was conducted instead of I conducted. Do not use the the noun I conducted. Instead, the study was conducted. The project team supervised instead of we supervise. You can only permitted to use we supervise or the term we if the project is being done by a group of people. Then you can use the term we supervise, we conducted, we concluded in your technical report writing. But if it is only you that is preparing or working on the project, use the third person pronoun. The study was conducted, the test was conducted, the project team supervised. Instead of I supervised, I conducted. Avoid using I in your technical report writing. Thank you. I'll be open to discussion and your questions and your report. So right now, I'm taking you to the practical aspect of all the things I've been talking about for you to really understand technical report writing. I have to take you through uh, the practical aspect of technical report writing. This is where you gain um, an overall insight and the skill you need to write any kind of technical report writing anywhere you find yourself in the world. So stay tuned as I take you to the last recording for the technical report writing. Thank you.